Welcome back. Today we're tracing Dior Perfume to its true beginning, out here in the fields, where the fragrance starts long before it reaches the bottle.
Start on this row and keep the petals clean.
For luxury fragrance, timing is everything. Roses are picked inside a narrow morning window before rising heat weakens their finest aromatic notes. Keep those trays shaded.
Only clean peel stock on this palette.
Jasmine bruises quickly, so every motion in the field is meant to preserve aroma, freshness, and the precious minutes before extraction begins.
This batch goes straight to cooling.
Pull any bruised ones before this lot moves out.
From above, delicate harvesting reveals itself as a tightly organized operation where every route and every minute of movement protects scent before it fades.
Tag that one and move it to shade.
Keep the lot together, don't mix the times.
Quality control starts in the field. Visual checks, temperature readings, and lot tracking make sure only fragrance-grade material continues forward.
Weight's good, send this lot forward.
Once these flowers are picked, everything becomes a race against time shade, airflow, temperature control, and fast movement, all working together to protect the scent.
Cooling doesn't replace craftsmanship. It protects fragile aroma by reducing heat buildup in the critical minutes immediately after harvest.
Truck 1 is full. Bring the next rack over.
At this point, the flowers have become time-sensitive aromatic cargo, moving through a chain designed to preserve quality before industrial transformation begins. Long before distillation begins, transportation protects quality by controlling temperature, spacing, and airflow throughout every mile of the journey.
Seal that crate and note the lot code.
Dispatch, we are passing the industrial buildings now, visibility clear. Should arrive at the depot within the hour.
Speed matters, but consistency matters more. These routes are timed to deliver fragile ingredients within the narrow window required for premium fragrance extraction.
Receiving is clear, lane 2.
Proceed to receiving dock 3.
At the factory, receiving is more than unloading. Every truck enters a controlled system built around traceability, sampling, and immediate process readiness.
Weight confirmed. Move ahead to sample check.
Sample from rack 4 is ready for review. Before the first rack is accepted, lab staff verify freshness indicators, temperature, and visual quality to keep every ingredient traceable from field to tank.
Bring that rose lot straight to prep. Keep that peel stream evenly fed.
Initial sorting strips away anything that could compromise aroma or consistency, leaving only the cleanest raw material for mechanical preparation.
Goran, this is where fragrance craftsmanship meets industrial discipline. Every incoming lot weighed, checked, sampled, and cleaned.
Feed is steady. Keep it moving.
Preparation machines are calibrated for fragility. Their job is not to transform the ingredient yet, but to ready it for efficient extraction without unnecessary loss.
Line B is ready for the next lot.
Batch numbers verified. Start the cycle.
With receiving complete and preparation finished, the ingredients are ready for the heart of perfume manufacturing, the extraction systems that turn raw material into concentrated scent.
Charge sequence is live on Vessel 2.
This is where raw material crosses into concentrated fragrance production. entering tightly controlled extraction systems built to protect delicate aromatic compounds.
Pressure stable across the loop.
Clarity is improving on this pass.
After extraction, separation begins removing unwanted moisture and solids, refining the aromatic stream into a cleaner, more usable concentrate. Sequence confirmed. Hold temperature where it is.
Blend room is ready for the transfer.
Secondary processing brings individual fractions together under exact conditions, helping shape stability, purity, and the final character of the perfume base.
Take the sample at 30 seconds. Sample sealed, sending it to bench check.
At this stage, even microscopic impurities matter. Final conditioning and polishing help create the clarity.
Hold tank 3 is ready for lab. Flow is up. Finishing line is taking product.
By now, the raw harvest has become a refined fragrance base, one step away from laboratory approval and the bottling line.
This is the moment where luxury becomes measurable. Every batch now has to prove itself through data, not just appearance or aroma.
Batch is logged and ready for testing.
Quality control in perfume manufacturing depends on more than scent alone. Analytical testing confirms identity, consistency. Profile matches the target very closely.
This batch is cleared for filling.
After passing every technical and sensory check, the fragrance is finally ready to become the product people recognize, the finished perfume in its bottle.
Spacing looks good. Bring the filler online.
Bottle feed is steady on line 1.
This is the moment the approved fragrance becomes a recognizable product, measured into each bottle with automated precision and strict batch control.
Levels are holding perfectly.
Caps are loaded. Keep the feeder topped off.
Sealing each bottle means more than closure. It protects the fragrance, preserves spray performance, and keeps every unit consistent before it reaches the customer. Spray pattern is clean, send it back downline.
By this point, the fragrance itself is complete. What happens here is about presentation, traceability, and making sure every bottle looks as refined as the scent inside it.
Registration is locked in. Keep the pace steady.
Every code printed here carries the batch history forward, connecting the finished perfume back to its raw ingredients, process data, and quality records.
Inserts are full. Cartons are feeding clean.
Case count is correct. Send it on.
Automation now takes over repetitive heavy handling, building stable pallet loads that protect thousands of finished units through storage and shipment.
Set this one in outbound staging.
Export pallets go to Dock 7.
The final stage is pure distribution discipline verification, secure loading, and careful sequencing so the product arrives exactly as intended.
Last pallet is in. Close this trailer next.
From fragile flowers in the field to finished perfume ready for stores, this entire journey depends on precision, timing,
What reaches the shelf looks effortless, but behind every bottle stands a chain of harvesting, science, packaging, and logistics working in perfect sequence.